Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can add links in Cart.go. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is really simple, and just click your plus and then click links, and voila, you just add here the link. Nice. You just add here. You can add also different link, and what you can do now is just simply change the size of the links, then letter spacing, and really drop shadow, layout. Then you get like settings here if you want to style, and really play around it as much as you want. So that's pretty much it. And then change the font here. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. So you just add here the URL link right here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. And then you just click on it and it will get you on a new page. Have a great day and goodbye.